Like a very dangerous game here.
And I'll tell you why. I'm getting COVID tests.
Oh no!
Let's wrap it up so I can live in one place. Good morning. Happy Monday. I'm just doing my makeup. I just usually got to be on my eyebrows and I thought, you know what? Why don't we do our makeup together? I am going to use the Fenty Skin. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna use the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter today. That's what I feel like using. I don't want to put too much on. I think too much makeup. There's just no point. I'm not filming or anything. Just going to the office. This stuff is really nice because it's very light, gives you a nice glow, but has a bit of coverage in it. And this is in the color 2.5 Fair. I think in my last vlog I showed you my kitchen, which is really exciting. Stone looks so beautiful, but unfortunately my appliances aren't going to be ready for another month. Look at all these delays. My appliances aren't going to be ready for another month. My bed has been delayed, so I'm not getting that until like mid-May. My bedside table's also delayed. Rug for my bedroom, literally no idea where it is. I think that's it actually, but appliances I ordered in November, so that's like honestly my biggest concern, because it's like literally November I ordered them and like why aren't they here yet? And they just like don't know where they are, which is annoying. And I ordered them from Bad Boy because they had the best deal. Because who's better than nobody? Who's better than nobody? Who's better? I don't know. You know the jingle if you're Canadian. I don't know if Bad Boy's in America. That's been kind of frustrating because obviously like I'm so lucky that I get to stay here in Jonathan's place, but imagine I didn't. I would literally have not had a fridge or stove for so long, like so long. So yeah, I'm using the Kevin Aucoin. It's the Skin Perfector or something. Sensual Skin Enhancer. This one's pretty light. Yeah, so that's kind of annoying. I definitely wanted to have like more content done around my place by now, but it's just not possible. So I think I'm gonna do my renovation do's and don'ts video because I feel like I have a good hand. Like my renovation's pretty much done, you know, like it is done. So if you have any specific questions on renovating, leave them in the comments and I'll compile a list and do a little do's and don'ts of renovating, because I definitely made some mistakes, you know, but that was my first time and you live and you learn. Although I did have help from Jonathan, and Jonathan has renovated his place. He's renovated 2 restaurants. So I had some help, which was very, very helpful. Now I'm gonna use the Rare Beauty in Nearly Mauve as blush. It's a really pretty color. And I just put it on a big brush from, I think this is Real Techniques. Yeah, such a pretty color, I think. Powder, Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish, which is literally like the craziest powder ever. This one's really light, but I feel like it goes on darker than, I think I said this before, it goes on darker than it looks in the pan. So I'm just kind of putting it in places that I need some powder under the eyes, always on the eyelids. My eyelids crease so badly. And then probably around the nose a little on the chin. And then I always take the powder and just go under where my bronzer is gonna go, and just any like really shiny spots. I'm using pretty much all Charlotte Tilbury products. The Hollywood, everything's Hollywood, I think. Film Star Bronzing Glow. Just a little bit of warmth. One thing I've really figured out that I do with makeup that makes my makeup look worse than it should is like I press the brush to my face way too hard. Like it looks so much better if you're like gentle, but unfortunately I just like can't do that. And then yeah, that's really it for makeup today. I'm gonna set it and then I'm gonna put mascara on. A lot of people have been asking about what mascara I've been using. I've been using the classic L'Oreal Telescopic. I die for her. She's the best. All right, see you later. Oh my god, I have like a cut on my lip. Good morning. We're getting a COVID test. So we're in Forest Hill. They want to know why you never want to be on the vlog.
I'm not trying to live that vlog life.
That is not pleasant. But we're done, and we get the results by midnight. And I'll tell you why. We're getting COVID tests in a little. Oh my god, my eyes. I also like just took my mask off. She's like, can you not do that? I'm like, oh yeah. Actually, I'm gonna change my mask out right now. Here we go. Yay, done. All right, at my house now, got my COVID test. I got my result at midnight, before midnight, but so the reason I got a COVID test is because I actually am going to LA on Thursday. I'm going for work, and we rented a house, so it's gonna be, you know, we're gonna be living in a house there, which is great. I'm excited, I'm nervous. Yeah, a lot to do before I leave, so I need to get a bunch of content done. I need to pack. Haven't packed in a long time, so it's gonna be a fucking nightmare. I'm just gonna get myself situated. It just got here, and yeah. As you guys know, I partner with Dyson, and they came out with this pink supersonic. So I have the blue one, but they came out with this really cute pink one, which I think would be a really good Mother's Day gift. They give you everything you need. And what I'm gonna do, I guess I should actually, yeah, what I'm gonna do, I'm actually gonna use it, and I'm gonna probably gift it to my mom. I'm gonna have my first shower in this place. Big day, haven't showered here before. And then I'm gonna blow out my hair with this, because since I'm getting on a plane on Thursday, I like to have my hair done when I get on a plane, so it's not all plainy, you know? So we're gonna use the new Dyson, the pink one, and we're gonna have our first shower. This video is also sponsored by Dyson. You guys know I've been working with them for a long time. So let's turn the shower on. You know when you like don't know how to turn the shower on? Oh no, how do you switch it from that to that? Very pretty. All right, I'm gonna shower. First I need towels. One on the ground here, so I don't have a mat yet. And then one for me. Okay, so shower review. Okay, so overall, loved the water pressure. I felt that it was a little cold, so I had the water like pretty hot. The water pressure was great. Shower experience was great. The only thing is, I know I put this half door, so I knew it was gonna happen. The water was coming out of the shower, and I don't know because I got out of the shower halfway through because I need to grab my face cleanser. I don't know if it was me getting out of the shower. There was so much water on the floor. I'm gonna have to be wary of that, or get like a really absorbent bath mat and wash a lot. Again, this is gonna be an issue. Like, I picked aesthetic over function because I didn't want to have a door in this kind of like small space. But overall, great fucking shower, let me tell you. So now we're gonna do the hair. I'm just gonna put a little blowout balm in, just a little bit. I'm gonna put this, this Miracle Hair Treatment by 11 Australia. Also, all this product is like pretty old, so who knows if it's even fine to put in my hair. Now I'm gonna blow out my hair. And I mean, I feel like you guys know everything about the Supersonic, but I like it because it really significantly reduces heat damage to your hair. It uses very high powered air, blows out air very fast, which means that you don't have to use as high of heat. They have the new fuchsia color. I'm just gonna go grab it. They have the different attachments for whatever you're gonna do to your hair. It comes with the diffuser, but I am just gonna rough dry my hair right now. And I usually use it at medium heat, medium hair, medium blowing. So I kind of like rough dry it like that for a while. And then I will grab my cute little pink Dyson brush and kind of just like smooth the ends with it, but I'll come back when I do that. Am I the best blow dryer in the world? No. But I pretty much just take the ends and wrap them like this. So I just bring it down to the lowest power setting and then the lowest heat, just do the ends. But I'm gonna style my hair, so it's not a huge huge deal, but you can see the difference between just like doing the ends and not doing the ends. And then for bangs, I'll just take it. I'm sure every hairdresser is like dying right now, being like, you are just so bad at this. And I'm like, yes I am. But just see how it creates just some volume in the bang. Got a little curl here. So I'm gonna finish up and then I'm gonna style my hair. Done. Nice waves. So if you wanna get your hands on a pink Dyson Supersonic, you can check the link in my description. And I think I'm gonna give this one to my mom for Mother's Day. Where's Sasha, my other mom? All right, I got some content to do, so we gotta put on some makeup now. Makeup is done. Very simple. Just use so much products I don't usually use, so it's always a gamble. Okay, so on my list today, I have to take a few Instagram photos. I have to potentially make some reels and TikToks. I think it's doable. Let's go. All right, I just shot Lacoste, and now I'm shooting John Hardy. I'm shooting by myself, obviously. And I have this dress on that's really low, but I'm wearing jeans underneath. So if you see these photos on my Instagram, just know I'm wearing jeans underneath. Playing a very dangerous game here. I think you can adjust these straps because my boobs are not big enough to in this, but it has this tie at the back, so it like cinches. It's very cute dress. It's from Motel Rocks, I think. Done. So 2 done, no 3 done. A lot more to go, but I'm doing pretty good on time. It's only 3. All right, I'm done, so I'm leaving. It's pretty much just like my studio right now. I'm actually wearing a Lacoste polo. Pretty much just use this in my studio right now, because obviously I still don't have appliances. But I actually got a lot of content done. What are we gonna have for dinner? Oh, I kind of want to make chicken cacciatore. And yes, it is back to being winter weather in Toronto. So crazy, like it's full on 5 degrees out, which I get is like, the other day it was 7 degrees and I saw multiple people wearing shorts. Like, it's fucking crazy. I've been getting a lot of questions about my sunglasses. They're from Vela, V-E-H-L-A. Morning, it is like 9, I'm just at my place and I was just taking some glasses out. I feel like designing this top shelf to make it look clean, functional, but also not cluttered is gonna be a task. I'm obviously leaving, so it doesn't matter right now, but I'm gonna have to, like, I have a lot of mugs that like aren't cute, although like I fucking love these ones. I've had these since I was born, you know, like this booby mug and stuff, maybe this beaches mug, like they'll just stay hidden and it'll only be like the pretty stuff. Look at these. Also half my plates, half of these plates broke in the move. The last 5 to 10% of any project is the most tedious, the longest, and drags out. Like, I need to get my dishwasher set up, I need to get my faucet in, and then I need to decorate, and obviously my fucking appliances, which just drive me insane. I'm like, I feel like I've been so chill about this, but like I'm getting to the point where I'm not chill anymore. Literally like coming up on a year of a renovation, a year of not having a place to live. Like, I know I'm living at Jonathan's, but like, you know, my shit's everywhere. Like, I'm just getting to that point where I'm feeling a little like, all right, let's wrap it up. Let's wrap it up so I can live in one place. I'm gonna gift my mom the Dyson. Is it a little weird that I used it before I gift it to her? Yeah, but like I had to show you the color. Duh. Anyway, let's go to the office and FedEx. I have to do my fucking shoe. I was at the office all day, but now I'm home. I haven't packed in so long, I literally don't know what I'm doing. So I'm just laying stuff on my bed. Just feel like overwhelmed with packing. But the sun's out, so I feel like that TikTok where the sun's out and I gotta take a photo. So I gotta do that right now. I'm gonna vlog more, but my contractor's here right now, so just not gonna like vlog while he's here. But right now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pairs of pants, 2 pairs of jeans, well, 2 pairs of, can you see me? 2 pairs of normal jeans, my red ginghams, white jeans, black jeans, and these are like workout kind of pants, but not really like lounge pants. Then probably bring just 1 pair of sweatpants, maybe 2. I have my workout stuff, bringing like a lot of workout stuff because I'm planning on working out a lot. Oh, look what my contractor's doing, putting under lights. And I have a faucet that works. Incredible.